This is the kick panel out of a 2021 Audi R8, and this was kind of an interesting request we had from this customer. It was in great shape. However, his knee rests right up against this area, so he wanted us to go in and add some padding, which you can see we've added a nice thick padding piece. He had a little stick-on piece of padding there just because it really hurt his knee driving, so we have gone in and modified this whole panel with padding over the whole thing, and then triple padding over that top right corner to make it where it's going to be comfortable to drive for him and yet still look like factory. We've gone with that double French seam around the outside of it, so just really going to make his driving experience not only comfortable but maintaining the stylishness. So reach out to us at Craft Customs. Any interior parts, pretty much we work on them all, so we look forward to working with you, and as always, you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it. craftcustoms.com.